We bet that you were just on Google today, searching whatever it is you like to search about. Google is the most visited website in the whole world. And what if we could show you how you can start making $1,000 and more by using a simple Google trick that we're sure no one has ever told you about? We are going to be sharing the step-by-step process to today's method in this video. Imagine making $100, $200, $300, $400, and even $1,000. Does that not sound promising to you? Because it's definitely promising to us. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip any part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now remember that this method is 100% free and it's supposed to be available worldwide. But if there are some complications with where you're from, then let us know in the comments down below and tell us where you're from too. We want everyone in the comment section to drop what country you're from so that we can make more videos based on your guys' countries. Before we get any further into this video, here's some payment proof from today's method. Just something to get you hyped up, something for you to look forward to. As you can see over here, all of these payments were from earlier today and some from a few days ago. Something that you should keep in mind is that people here are getting paid daily. Not weekly, not monthly, but daily. All of these people on this list are cashing out these sums of money every single day. From $5, $7, $10, $12, even $17. Now that is a lot of cash for a day, right? Also, as you can see, people are paying out through different methods, so rest assured whatever payment method is convenient for you, you will find it here. Speaking of, we want you to actually comment down below what payment method you usually use or what you would prefer. We're curious also so that we can make more videos that would be most convenient for you based on your preferred payment method. Anyways, let's continue. We don't think we've actually brought a strategy like this on here before, or even this website. This is probably the first time we're bringing it to our channel, which means that you are definitely in for a treat. Another important detail, look at all of these publisher rates, okay? Look at all of the countries that this website or method is available to. This website is available to one and all, but we still want you to comment down below where you're from for our future videos. Enough with the chit chat, we know you're just as excited as we are. Now we want you to go on ShrinkMeio. This is what you should see on your screen when you are on this website. In case you're not exactly sure what this is still, this website is a URL shortener. Now, what is this website? ShrinkMeio is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which, apart from being free, you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. How and how much do I earn? How can you start making money with ShrinkMeio? It's just 3 steps. Create an account, create a link, and post it. Per every visit, you earn money. It's just that easy. A 20% bonus over here. The ShrinkMeio referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service and to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 20% of their earnings for life. Another fun thing, this website has a low minimum payout. you are required to earn only $5 before you will be paid. We can pay all users via their PayPal and others. See, you don't even need to earn more than $5. If you already have $5, you can right away receive and withdraw this payout, which is absolutely insane. This website has the highest rates. Make the most out of your traffic with our always increasing rates. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Anyway, let's get into the whole process and all of the steps. So of course, to start, you're going to need to create an account and then shorten a link, and then boom, just like that, you earn money. Anyway, go ahead and click on the register button right here, and then you will be taken to the registration page wherein you will have to provide all of your sign-up details. Once you have an account, you're going to set that aside real quick and proceed with the real money making process. So go ahead on youtube.com, and then you're going to want to look for a very specific video or very specific videos. For us, we're going to be looking up a loose belly fat video. First of all, this topic is super popular. It will never go out of style. Number 2, videos on getting a small stomach and losing belly fat is always something that people from all over the world search for. And lastly, they get millions and millions of views. Literally, a lot of people are so interested in these types of videos. So choose whatever video you want to choose, and then you're gonna right click that video and then copy the link address. That's all you gotta do. Just copy the link address. Then you're going to go back to ShrinkMeio, and then you're going to paste that link over here so that this website can shorten that link for you. Once your link is shortened, you're going to be sharing the link with people, and whenever someone clicks on your link, you're going to get paid. So let's go back to the publisher rates. Now, as you can see here, all the countries listed down here means that the people who come from these countries will click on your link. That is how you're gonna earn, or that is the rate that you're going to earn. So how exactly can you get people from Greenland or Ireland or whatever? How do we target those people? And that is what we're going to show you that you can do with our special Google trick. We want you to go back to YouTube. We want you to find a video that is not that old and that has a lot of views, okay? That's supposed to be the factors. For example, we have this video that got 36 million views and it was posted 5 months ago, so this is perfect. Let's click on the video right here, and then when you're on the actual video, you're going to copy the URL of that video. And then once you've copied that, you go back to ShrinkMeio, and then we're going to paste that link that we just copied, and then click on this button right here to shorten the link. Once you have that link shortened, you're going to keep it and set it aside, and then you're going to go on google.com and then look up lose weight forums, and then you'll see all of these forums come out. Forums wherein people want to connect with other people, share some tips and secrets, and talk about their weight journey and whatever it is. There are millions of forums you can go on that are all about weight loss, with thousands of people on here every single day. And on this forum is where you're going to be posting your shortened and special link. But how exactly will we target people from the countries that pay us the highest rates? Here's what you're gonna do. So go on Google, and on the search that you're on, you're going to click on settings and then advanced search. So you should find yourself here once you've clicked on advanced search. Once you're here, you're going to look for region and then click on that, and then choose the country from the publisher rates that pays the highest. So if you can find Greenland on here, or Ireland, or the US, or whatever, for this video, let's just choose the US. Then you're going to click on advanced search, and then all of the results will be all from the United States. So all of the forum results are coming from the US. So if you post your links on here, everyone from the United States will be viewing your link, and the rate that you're going to get paid is the United States rate. You can also do the same process for Greenland or Ireland or whatever country you want, whatever rate interests you the most. You just have to repeat the whole process. So you're gonna join these forums and then post your special link there, knowing that those clicks on your link from these people will make you earn your money per 1,000 views. You can also join on social media forums, so on Facebook or Twitter and even Instagram, and you can earn from that too. And that's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.